Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another review for the Sparkle and Shine subscription box. This is a trio that every month has a different theme. The two brands that are always included in this trio are Nailed It and Wildflower Lacquer, and this month the guest maker is Fair Maiden Polish. The theme for January is space, so all of these will have a spacey inspiration. This is going to be a pre-order. It opens on January 17th and it closes on January 24th. The box is going to be $30 for all three polishes plus shipping. As with all of my reviews, I'm going to do a live application review. So I'm going to swatch this on my natural nails so you can see how it applies in two coats, and then I will give you my full swatch photo and a macro. All the important information will be in the description bar down below. On my lips today, I have this sugar tinted lip treatment in the shade Orchid. And without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to go in alphabetical order by brand name, which means we get to start with the guest maker. This is Fair Maiden Polish. This polish is called Is There Life on Mars? This is a very warm multi-chrome polish. It's described as a red to gold multi-chrome with accompanying red to gold multi-chrome flakes. This is a very opaque polish. You could pretty much get done with this at one coat. In fact, all of the polishes in this trio are very opaque. So you're gonna watch me swatch this in two coats. I'm gonna do two coats of everything today just for consistency, but you could probably get out the door with just one on all of these. So this has plenty of flakies that are matching the hue of kind of like a bronzy red to a golden green, both in the flakies and the shift on the pigmentation. So again, this one is called Is There Life on Mars? Very warm and fiery, very intense. And I finished off with two coats for my full swatch and for my macro as well. The next polish in the trio is from the brand Nailed It. This polish is called Stellar Collision, and again we have another multi-chrome polish. All of the brands this month did multi-chrome. So this polish, Stellar Collision from Nailed It, is described as a blue to purple multi-chrome with red to gold iridescent flakies and scattered hollow. These are those really bright, fiery, kind of eerie looking red, gold, green chameleon iridescent flakies, and it has a wealth of hollow in it as well, and the shift is this really beautiful blue to kind of plummy purple. So a lot of fun color mix in here. Again, we have a very opaque polish. I could have stopped at just the one coat, but two coats does give it like a more rounded appearance, and it really deepens that multi-chrome shift. So with all three of these polishes, they're probably gonna last you a long time because you don't need a lot of coats to make a great impact on your nails. So this is Stellar Collision. For my photo, I did two coats as well. And the final polish in the collection is from Wildflower Lacquer, and we have another multi-chrome shift. We've got this interesting kind of browny green color, and it's going through green and blue. It also has chameleon flakies. This one's called Galactic Glow. Galactic Glow is described as a blue base with a yellow to red to gold multi-chrome shift with scattered crystal flakies and hollow flakies. So the crystal flakies, I mean, you have a whole bunch of fun colors in here with this really interesting multi-chrome shift, starting with the blue base, and then when it's reacting with the red to yellow shifting pigment makes this really interesting looking green color. And then the flakies, like I said, you have pops of pink, blue, purple, gold, and green. A lot of fun components in here, a really, really interesting polish. Definitely nothing like it in my collection. So this is Galactic Glow and another very, very opaque polish. And that is the full January Sparkle and Shine subscription trio. Like I said, this becomes available on January 17th, so mark your calendars. And orders begin shipping about 2 to 3 weeks after the pre-order has ended. I think that's everything you need to know for this very spacey trio. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for spending some of it with me. I will see you back very soon. Take care. Bye.